Hello designer, in this video we are going to add how to add glow in landing page and trying to add glow effect in landing page. For this I just select the two circles, and after selecting these circles I am going to add colors. I am add the light colors from my color palettes. You can see there is some color plates I have created, and selecting colors from these plates. After adding these colors, red, light and warning yellow, okay, selecting those color and go to effect. In the effect I just select layer blur and give the property till the look I want to be like a glow effect. After giving this effect, just convert into group and place into the landing page, and I want to be this behind the title, so just back to the frame of heading, selecting, and this glow after the headings. See, now we are extract this to the entire hero section and moving up little bit so glow look like behind from the nav bar, and I can just check into the live preview. See, it's looking good. If you want to be change more colors in this glow, for this you need to be go into this object and change the colors as you want, so it will be match with your designs. Thank you.